Dashing through the drive-thru to get a big gordita and maybe a tortilla and a cantina burrito, a cheesy quesadilla and some grande nachos and some empanadas and Doritos Locos Tacos. Oh, Taco Bells, crunch wrap bacon bits. I like to drink Baja Blast and eat cinnamon twists. Oh, Taco Bells, Mexi melts I bite. Oh, what fun it is to eat at Taco Bell tonight.